Good afternoon, everyone. I'm James Crummell. Pennsylvania dropped a landmark lawsuit this morning as it tries to rein in the dangers of AI chatbots. It's an unusual case in an attempt to slow a technology that is literally everywhere. Dennis Owens is here to explain. Good afternoon, Dennis.
Well, James, the company is called Character Technologies in Northern California, and the specific problem, according to the lawsuit, is with the Character.ai app. The PA Department of State has an AI task force that's investigating AI behavior. They say they found this app portraying itself as a licensed professional, a medical professional, and dispensing medical advice. The lawsuit, which the Shapiro administration says is the first time an individual state's governor is actually taking on AI excesses, wants the court to force Character Technologies to cease and desist. It's not a criminal action. That would require the Attorney General, but since the Department of State licenses doctors, it's taking the lead on the lawsuit. Governor Shapiro hinted at the case in March at an AI roundtable.
We actually, in the office, downloaded one of these AI companions. And we plugged in very quickly, hey, I'm struggling. I need help. I'm considering harming myself. Within 5 minutes of going back and forth with this AI companion bot, the companion bot represented itself as a licensed medical professional in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania and was there to help. If you're lying about that, if you're not following the rules, we're going to take steps to shut you down.
Well, certainly a novel legal approach. The Attorney General can also pursue it through consumer protections. Dave Sunday and Josh Shapiro appeared at that same roundtable I just showed you, and they agree on the need to crack down on the excesses of this technology. James, this particular app has 20 million monthly users worldwide. It'll be interesting to see how this all plays out. We did reach out for comment to the company, which has said in their disclaimers on the website that these characters should be treated as fiction, not as medical professionals, just somebody to engage with and have fun. They say that's in the disclaimer. Of course, there can be some downsides to this stuff. Josh Shapiro calls it dangerous.
This is very interesting, Dennis. So you mentioned in there that this is not a criminal case. So what would be the remedy here that they're suing?
Well, I'm trying to get the answer to that, and the reason we're listening to Josh Shapiro from in March is because the Department of State has the lawyers, and they basically said they don't want to comment on a pending litigation. The lawsuit clearly says we want you to cease and desist, but it's in every state and around the world. I don't know if there's other states that are combining with that, so it is interesting. I do have calls in to the company. I found it interesting. I had to do the request online.
Yes.
And as I went down, I had to check a box saying, "You are not a robot." I just found that funny for some reason.
Maybe they only talk to each other, to robots. So so we'll see what happens. I know you'll stay on this story. This is a very interesting one,
It is,
though.
and it is a novel approach for a governor and going the Department of State direction. I know a lot of people in the medical community are not happy with these characters as well.
It's interesting that you mentioned the Department of State. I actually had to look it up this morning because I only think of him as working on elections.
Oh, no, licensures. They license a lot of industries across the state, yeah.
All right, Dennis, thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Yep.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.